Hello, everybody. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Kobe. This channel will give tips and tricks on how to use WordPress and any other digital marketing tool or website designing tool. So, in today's video, we are going to learn how to use a video as your background in a web page. So, if instead of using color or image, you want to use a video, we're going to learn how to use it so that when people visit your website, they will see the video playing right away. So this video was basically an answer to a question I answered on Quora. For those of you who don't know Quora, this is Quora. Basically, over there I do really answer questions over there, and only this month alone my answers have been viewed for almost like 24,000 views this month. And so this is the basically this is the question. So where is it? Yeah. So how do I have a video play as the background of my website, a WordPress page? How do I have a video play as the background of my WordPress page? So, and I answered the question over there. So I said if you are using a page builder like Elementor, it is easy for you to use a video as your background video for your web page. Instead of selecting color or image as your background, choose video, and you can use video from YouTube or other source as your background. So I decided to follow up with a video for the person, so that anybody who is searching for such an answer will not just read it, because I think this answer is fake, and then I wanted to do a video about it. So let's jump into the video and let's go. So this is the background of the back end of our website. First, your website needs to have Elementor installed. So if you don't have Elementor, you basically need to install a plugin called Elementor. Elementor is a page builder. So you go to add new, and then you search for Elementor. So you search for Elementor page builder, and then you install. So this is Elementor website builder. So you can use it to build your whole website based on this page builder. So you click over here. If it is not, I've already installed it. So if it is not installed, it will tell you to install now, just like this one, and then after installing, you activate it. So I have already installed it, so I'm going to use the Elementor to build a page and then use a video as my background. So let's go to my pages over here. I have an example page I want to use. So example home. So I'm going to edit the page using Elementor. So what I'm going to do is click on edit with Elementor over here. Okay, so Elementor is it's loaded. It's already loaded over here. So this is the page builder. This is how it looks like, and this is what we're going to use to build the page that we're going to use. So for those of you who don't know much about Elementor, Elementor have elements that you use in creating. It's just a drag and drop element whereby you can use to create a whole page of your own. So for instance, if you go to my website over here, Kitech Digital over here, we used Elementor to build this whole page over here. So as you can see over here, a very nice background, very nice page with Elementor. Everything was based on Elementor. Yeah, so that is it. So first we need to create what we need to click on this plus icon and select the structure of how we want the hero or the background to be like, how we want the structure to be like. So I just want to create a website with 2-column structure. So I'll just use this one, the 2-column over here. Now this is the 2-column, so this is the first column and this is the second column. Now basically what I want to do is I want to maybe write something over here, okay, or I can decide to just use just a 1-column structure like this, okay, because we're going to insert a video at the background, and then we also insert some text image some text over here. So this is the structure. So when we want to edit the structure over here, what we have to do is to click on this 6 dotted icon, dotted dots over here. That is the edit session, and then this place will open for you. Okay, so this is the layout. Everything, the settings of the layout is over here. So what do we want to do? We want to change the content width from box to full width, because we want it to be full width, and then we don't want any gap in it, so we say no gap, and then we want the height to be minimum height. Okay, so we select minimum height, which will make it a little bit big, and then what we're gonna do is I want it to be like 600 pixels, so I'll select 600, and then yeah, basically that is it for here. Now I'll go to style over here. This is where I'm going to add the video. Okay, I'll go to style over here. Now you see over here we say what, background. Okay, so now the background, the normal one without hover, okay, the normal one, I don't want, this is what the classic one whereby you can add color. If you click over here, you see you can add an image, you can also add what, color. Now I'm not going to add an image and I'm not going to add color. This one too is what, gradient. So maybe you want to add different shades of what, color over here. So the gradient, you add it over here. Now this one is what we're going to use, the video. Okay, this one is the video. Now what we are using is what, a video. So we're going to link we're going to use a video link from YouTube. You can use a video link from YouTube or Vimeo, okay, to make your background. So I'll just jump into my YouTube channel and pick any video over there. Yeah, so let me say I want to use let's say this video, right? So I'll just copy the link of the video.
Hello and welcome to Kitech.
I'll just copy the link of the video, and then I'll come over here and paste the link over here. Now at the moment I paste the link, you see the video will be will be inserted over there. Okay, so as you can see, that is the video over there. So we're using the video as what, as a background over here. Okay, now maybe I want an overlay. Okay, so I just want an overlay of the video. So do you want the video to play at once? So let's say the start time, the end time. Do you want the video to play at once? Yeah, we want the video to play at once whenever somebody visits the website. So we want the video to start playing at once. And then maybe do you want the video to play on mobile? If you want the video to play on mobile too, you can what? You can click over here. Okay, yeah, you can click over, and then the background fallback. Okay, so when the video cannot play, you can decide to choose any image to fall it back on it, so that when people come over there and the video is not playing, what image should they fall on? Okay, so let's choose this image. Let's choose this image. Okay, so we want the video to fall back on this particular image. And then we can decide to use a background overlay. Okay, so we want it to be a little bit, let's say darker, a little bit darker. Okay, we want to be a little bit darker, so we increase the opacity over here. So basically this is how it looks like. So now you can decide to, let's say add a text over here. Okay, so let me just increase the opacity small, and you can decide to add a text over here. Okay, now I feel like changing this video because this video is not making the video that we doing nice. So let me go to YouTube and search for, so let's say short tech videos. Okay, let me use this one, and let me copy this link, and then let me go back to here, and then instead of this one I'm gonna delete this one and put this one over there. I want this video. Okay, so basically that is how it is. So the next one we're gonna do is to insert text over here. Okay, so we will click on this one to move away from the settings of this layout or this section, and then this is a text heading or text editor, so we want the heading, so we just drag and drop the text over here, and then we can change the text and say maybe best, so let's say best tech, or best technology videos. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna change the color, so we're going to style, we change the color to white. Okay, and then I want to change the typography to very fancy typography or anything. Okay, so let me change the typography to Poppins. Poppins, which is a Google font type, and then increase the size. Then I'll increase the size more. Okay, and then I'll position the text in the middle. Very good. And then I'll bring let's say a button over here. Okay, and then I'll say maybe watch now, or maybe watch video. Okay, I'll place the button in the middle. I'll just increase the size to be large. Let me make it medium. And then I'll change the color of the button. I'll make it I wanted to make it orange. Let me make it orange. I'll make it orange. And then basically that is it. So if you see there is a space over here, okay, so I wanted to remove that space over here, so I'll click on this edit button over here so that it will allow me to edit the settings, or edit the best technology video over here. So I'll go to advanced over here, and then I'll remove the padding and the margin all over there. So it is so I'll just look at the bottom. It is a bottom margin, so I'll just use -20 because there's already a 20 bottom margin over there. So I'm just going to remove that 20 bottom margin over there so that it will fit perfectly. So basically, you see, that is it. So when I update it, okay, and then I can visit the web page or the view the page. So let me go and then view the page over here. Yeah, so this is basically the page. So you see the video is loading, and that is the video playing over there nicely. So guys, this is how you can add video as a background to your web page or your home page or your website, any other pages of your website. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to this channel, whereby we provide you more tricks about website creating. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.